Hey, welcome to another interesting topic. Normally, people think that asthma patients can't go to gym and do workout heavily, but that's not true. I'm an asthma patient. It's been more than 10 years. I'm going to gym and do regular workouts, and I go intense and lift heavy too. So here I am. I'll share my personal experience how I've started my fitness journey in spite of being an asthma patient. When I started going to gym, initial 1 week was tough and difficult because it is completely new experience for my body. The weight training and whatever the physical activity we do in gym, cardio, etc. So couldn't bear the pain, but it is normal for 1 week. But after that, it is regular. Whatever sweet pain we get it due to the hard work we do on our muscles. But after initial 1 week, there is no issue at all. We can do normal workouts as normal people do, but always we need to take precaution that always you need to have the inhalers with us. So I do carry my inhaler always with me to gym. So normally I face the issue when I do long cardios or HIIT, high intensity interval trainings when I do, or when I do super fast training, running on treadmill. So these kind of workouts, or when I do CrossFit kind of workouts, where my heartbeat really goes up and the oxygen demands are high, where I feel the need of taking medicine. So what I do, I immediately, as soon as I feel the wheezing or chest tightness and the breathing issue, I stop the workout immediately and I take one dose of using asthma inhaler. But other than that, it is normal workout we do, and immediately if I take the inhaler one dose, and within 5 minutes I'll be normal, and again I'll start doing my workout routine. So this is the way I'm continuing my workout. So if few people or beginners who are hesitant to go to gym, who are asthma patients and hesitant to go to gym, and if they have doubts like whether they can go to gym or whether they can do regular workouts or not, it is absolutely fine to go to gym and do normal workouts, and you can lift as heavy as other people do. Only one condition or one precaution we need to take: always carry your inhalers or medication with you. And if you're doing my suggestion is, instead of going for long sessions, try to limit to very short duration workouts, very quick workouts. And especially when you're doing cardio and CrossFit routines, long duration of cardio and high intensity workouts like CrossFit will immediately trigger chances of triggering asthma is more. So you need to carry your inhaler, and main thing is, as soon as you notice your breathing is an issue, or you're feeling chest tightness and difficulty in doing workout, stop the workout immediately and take the medication. And doing a physical activity, either workouts, weight training, or doing a yoga is really helpful for asthma patients, because when you try to do workout, your body temperature goes high and your oxygen demands will be high. The way then your lungs functioning will be effective, and it is good for your heart and lungs. So please try to involve in some kind of physical activity like swimming, yoga, workout. All we can do as usual, normal. Just be aware of your body symptoms or indications your body is giving when you are trying to do workout, and just respect that and give proper medication, and everything will be normal. This is my experience. Like my limit is like 5 minutes of cardio. If I do cardio more than 5 minutes, or any high intensity exercise for more than five minutes, I'll get asthma attack. So this is my inhaler. When I get asthma attack, I'll use this, and one dosage will be enough for me, and I'll be normal, and I'll again give 5 minutes break, and I'll start doing my regular routine. So this is my experience. So I'll limit my workouts to very quick and effective workouts. Do not limit yourself, but at the same time try to observe your body indications, what it is giving, and you feel any discomfort, stop the workout immediately and take the medication. I hope this topic is very helpful for few who are hesitant to go to gym, having some respiratory issues. Thank you so much for watching.